Thank you, Krishna, for joining today's session. It's a great honor to have you today. So to begin with, could you please give us a quick, brief introduction about yourself?
Thanks for having me. My name is Krishna Mohan. I have been a product leader for the last 15 years. Currently, I work at Porter. I head the product design and research teams here. The last 8 years, I've been leading products in the consumer world. I've been in startups. But overall, I've had about 15 years of experience in the product.
What are your thoughts on IPL's Industry Connect session and its impact on aspiring product leaders?
I think it's very important to bridge the industry academia gap. A lot of times, it's important for practitioners like us to come and talk to the students here, so that they're able to also relate to the real world experiences and understand whatever they're learning in theory, how is that actually getting applied right in the industry. So I personally find this bridge very useful for breaking over barriers.
Great to hear your feedback of today's session. So how was your experience engaging with IPL's EMBA students, and what impressed you the most?
I think they asked very good questions. It seemed that they were curious to understand whatever they've been learning, is that practical, is that applicable in the industry. A lot of good questions came from that side, and just I think the whole vibe, the energy was very, very exciting and enthusiastic.
Glad to hear that, sir. What is one key takeaway you would want to share with the aspiring product leaders?
I think now it's basically the GenAI hype right now. So I'd say that I think a couple of things. One is being very, very hands-on and cognizant of the industry shifts that are happening because of GenAI. So overall, AI kind of has really taken up and has shaked up a lot of things, right? So it's important to really pay a lot of attention and be hands-on, be curious, tinker with various new age products, I would say. Second is, I think, being customer obsessed, being very outcome driven, right? So those are things that don't change whether it is GenAI or not, right? So I think just keep being very curious, keep being focused on customers, obsess about what your customers' problems are, figure out how do you generate business value, through that, be very outcome oriented. And do pay a lot of attention to how GenAI is disrupting things. I think today's conversation was very helpful. A lot of energy, a lot of excitement, a lot of good questions, coming through. So enjoyed it thoroughly.
Thank you for sharing that key takeaway. I'm sure this is going to help our cohorts.
All right.
Thank you once again.
Thank
sir.
you.